Hello little artists. Today, we're going to draw a happy monkey holding a giant banana. He's silly, cute, and ready to snack. Grab your crayons or markers and let's begin. Start with a round face and two big eyes. Add a small nose, a big smile, and round ears on the sides. Now draw the body sitting down with arms and legs. One hand is reaching up, holding a huge banana. Add fingers, toes, and a curly tail at the back. Make sure the banana is nice and big, even bigger than his head. Our monkey looks so proud of his banana prize. Look at your monkey. He's smiling and ready for a banana party. Let's color the monkey brown with a light beige face, hands, and belly. The banana should be bright yellow with a little green or brown at the ends. Make the eyes black and the tongue red or pink. You can also draw some trees or more bananas around. Your monkey looks fun, cheerful, and full of energy. And we're finished! You just drew a happy monkey with his favorite treat. Great job! Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hi little artists! Today, we're going to draw a dinosaur wearing a refrigerator. It's silly, cool, and full of surprises. Grab your crayons or markers and let's begin. Start with the dinosaur's head round with big eyes, sharp teeth, and a happy smile. Now draw a long neck leading down into a big box shape. That's the fridge. Add two doors on the front with handles. Next, draw the arms coming out from the sides and the strong legs underneath. Add little claws on the feet and some bumpy spots on the tail. You can even add small spikes down the back. Our dino fridge is ready to keep snacks safe and roar at lunchtime. Look at your dino fridge. He's ready to stomp and stay cool. Let's color the dinosaur green with darker green spots. Make the fridge light blue or silver. Add black for the handles and white for the teeth. You can also draw fruits, ice cream, or even a tiny penguin hiding inside. Your dino fridge looks funny, fresh, and full of personality. And now we're done. You just drew a dinosaur fridge. Awesome work!